How much time would it take you to combine all your yearly data scattered across subfolders with multiple files for each company, each containing 12 sheets for each month? A week? A day? What if I told you it only takes 5 minutes or less? No stress, no endless copying and pasting, just one simple method. We'll start by connecting Excel to your folder, so it can grab all the data at once. Open a fresh Excel workbook, go to Data, Get Data, From File, From Folder. Select the folder you want and click Open. When prompted, click Combine and Transform Data. This option lets us clean and shape the data as it's being combined, so you don't have to do it later. Think of it as prepping the ingredients before cooking. Now you'll see a new window. Power Query uses this file as a template to figure out how to handle the rest of the files. Here's a cool trick. Look at the top where it says Parameters with a folder icon. That folder icon is clickable too. Clicking the folder gives us access to all the objects, tables and sheets. At this point, you'll see all the tables and worksheets from the first files. Each worksheet represents a month, so we need to filter by the kind column to keep only the worksheets. Now you can expand the data column. We only want the monthly data, not any extra tables or metadata. Expanding the data column combines all the sheet's contents into one view, so we can work on them together. Now we'll clean the data to make sure it's usable. Power Query lets us remove extra rows, rename columns and filter out all the unnecessary information quickly. The data doesn't start at row 1, so we need to remove the extra rows to avoid clutter. Find the header row. The actual headers start in row 12. Remove the top 11 rows by using the Remove Rows option. When done, promote the top row to headers using Promote Headers option. Now let's filter the unnecessary rows. Use the percentage change from budget column to filter out rows where the value is empty. And also remove repeated headers that might appear for each following month. Empty rows and repeated headers are just noise. Filtering them out makes sure our final dataset is clean and easier to work with. Now delete blank columns and calculated fields. Blank columns don't add any value, and calculated fields are often duplicates of data we already have. We are almost done. Let's return to the main query to apply everything we've done to all the files. Rename the source column to company, so it's clear what it represents. The year isn't always in the data itself, but we can grab it from the folder structure. You can use replace values or split columns to grab the year. This ensures our final dataset is complete. Merge the month and year columns using a hyphen as a separator. Change the new column data type to date for better sorting and filtering later. And that's it. In just a few steps, we've combined multiple files, cleaned the data and prepared it for the analysis, all in under 5 minutes. Why is this process so powerful? It saves hours of manual work, you don't need to open each file individually, and once set up, you can reuse this process anytime you add new data to the folder. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Power Query tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.